In this video we want to discuss adding drawing sheets so that we're not saving each sheet as a separate file. And that's down here at the bottom. I can stack a whole bunch of sheets down here so that if I have a project that has 5 sheets in it or 7 sheets in it, they're not all saved individually, but I can put them down here at the bottom and save them under one file name. So I'm going to come down here under sheet 1. I'm going to right click the mouse and I'm going to go to add sheet. And it puts in sheet number 2. And I can keep doing that. Sheet 3. And we'll just stop at 5 right there. Now I can come back and I can rename these sheets. Maybe I want sheet number 1 to be the bushing. Right click sheet number 2. Rename. Maybe this is going to be the axle. Sheet number 3 is going to be the top plate, and so on. Now when I save this project, I could save the project as, if I go File, Save As, I can save the project as Faster Drawings. Hit the Save button. Now all of those sheets are located in one file called Caster Drawings 2.